This short film shows the driller putting a new post and hinge attachment on a hoop earring. This is a repair that we often do. He selects a post that matches the post for the other earring. That's why it's important that you bring in both earrings when you need one repaired. He's going to clean the section, make up some new gold and solder together to fill in the hole that was left from the detachment of the old post. He's balling that up on the board now with the torch, making a little ball with that gold, getting it ready to apply to the body of the hoop earring. Uses the torch to do that. Melts it down into the post, into the earring, so that he can build up the spot where the old post was attached. Then he takes the post, melts some solder onto the new post and hinge attachment, and applies it to the hoop. So it's back in place the way the original post and hinge attachment were attached to the earring. Welds it together. It's making sure the solder flows so you have a very solid, secure joint, every bit as strong as it was originally. When this is completed, all that's left is a little polishing, buffing, and cleaning, and you're ready.